should be. I got it right here. I got it. Should be holding up a glass of wine because after work, who doesn't like kicking back with a little glass of wine? That's right. Okay, fellas, thank you. Nice job. I hope your wives' answers matches yours.
Put him to sleep.
At the end of the game, we'll win a fantastic second honeymoon adventure with Caravan